Hello all, welcome to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Today is the day for 11th standard. 11th standard again, M2, problem on limits, CET problem again. This involves again two formulae, one formula for trigonometric function and one formula for exponential function. I think that day we took a similar sum, but this is slightly different because there is one more concept which I want to explain. So let us straight away go to the problem. Limit x tends to 0, 25 raised to x minus 2 into 5 raised to x plus 1 upon x sin x. Okay. The first thing that I have written is 25 raised to x can be written as 5 squared. अभी देखो क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं. 5 squared is 25 raised to x. Right? Now remember, by laws of indices, when you have an index raised to index, you are allowed to interchange both. Means you can take x here and 2 here. Why? Because finally you multiply both indices, 2x, 5 raised to 2x. 2 into x gives you 5 raised to 2x, x into 2 gives you 5 raised to 2x. So any which way is allowed to be written. You might be surprised, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 5 raised to x raised to 2. You might think this is 5 raised to x squared. ऐसा नहीं है. 5 raised to x into 2, 5 raised to 2x. Okay? So these three ways you are allowed to write 25 raised to x. Now this is not mentioned anywhere in any textbook कि 3 method है. Okay? Which will you choose and why? Observe. कौन से चूज करने वाले हो मेथड? There is a reason behind it. There is a reason behind everything. If you ask yourself these small questions and follow the reason, maths और interesting हो जाता है. So observe now. I am going to select 5 raised to x raised to 2. I am going to select this. क्यों select किया है? Reason पता चलेगा. First thing is 25 raised to x, I have written 5 raised to x bracket squared minus 2 into 5 raised to x into 1 additional add किया मैंने यहाँ पे into 1 because it doesn't change. Now into 1 क्यों add किया, that also I'll explain. Plus 1 squared. 1 can be written as 1 squared. Now you might be getting some ideas. 1 को 1 squared क्यों लिखा, यहाँ पे 1 क्यों लिखा, because see I have got the formula a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, where a is 5 raised to x, b is just 1. After I take a square over there, I get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is nothing but a minus b bracket squared. Now in order to write a squared, I have selected 5 raised to x bracket squared. Followed? So that I can write a squared over there. If I select this, it is not wrong mathematically. But then how can I write a squared for this? It is raised to x. Clear? These are small things which I always love to explain. And you should also remember. Right? So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, a minus b bracket squared. Just now I said what is your a? 5 raised to x. What is your b? 1. So a minus b, 5 raised to x minus 1 bracket squared. Get a simple thing, simple bracket. Okay? 5 raised to x minus 1 bracket squared. Denominator remains as it is. Now there are two formulae to be used. Okay? One is a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a, exponential formula. The second one we already know, sin x upon x is equal to 1. Both these formulae will be using. This is called as exponential formula, this is called as trigonometric formula. Followed limits formula, limits के लिए है, right? Now how do we use both formulae? Let's complete the problem now. Okay, see 5 raised to x minus 1, compare with this formula, it is a raised to x minus 1. I want upon x over here. Okay. Sin x upon x, I want upon x over here. So what I am going to do is divide numerator and denominator by x squared first. By x squared cube, because that bracket squared is there. Observe. Because square is present, I divided by x squared. Now if you divide this numerator by x squared like this, वहाँ किया है, इसको भी x squared से divide करना है mathematically. So x sin x upon x squared. X cancel कर दो. Let us write square upon square can be written as total bracket squared. एक ब्रैकेट में लिया है और ऊपर स्क्वायर लाइक दिस. sin x upon x, I don't want to do anything because I already have got a formula there. हो गया सॉल्व. Write the answer. We again, like in the earlier video, इसके अंदर दो फॉर्मूले, we just put two formulae over there, created two formulae by dividing numerator and denominator by x squared. Which is the first formula? A raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a. So 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x is log 5 bracket squared. Sin x upon x, limit x tends to 0, is 1. So final answer log 5 bracket squared. Okay. Now there is one more small tip which I want to give you. Since we have got the answer in terms of logs, let us just discuss one more rule. When this was asked for CET, one option was given as 2 log 5. Some of the students wrote this option and got the problem wrong, because 2 can be brought in front only when it is like this. Log of 5 squared, if it is there, then you are allowed to bring the 2 in front, 2 log 5. But log of 5 bracket squared, you can't do anything about it. You have to leave the answer as log 5 bracket squared. Okay? Because it is log 5 into log 5. Or you are not allowed to write log of 25. 5 का squared नहीं ले सकते. It is log 5 bracket squared. Okay? So first thing is, don't write 2 log 5. Keep it as it is. This is the answer. This was the important tip for today. Okay? There are many such small tips which should be given in certain textbooks. That don't write like this, don't write like this. But then unfortunately they don't give. Anyway, we'll be discussing in our future videos also. Right? That will be all for today. Study this video properly. CET exam में पूछा था. Meet you in another day or two. I think we have finished this in 12 minutes or so. Nice. Okay. Bye.